welcome back. I'm gonna show you how to make my everyday salsa. I like using serrano peppers because I like my salsa spicy, but you can try using jalapenos. I'm just gonna let the jalapenos and tomatoes boil, and you can tell after 15 minutes the tomato is ready because the skin starts to peel off. I'm going to take them out and let the serrano peppers boil for 5 to 10 more minutes. So we're just gonna poke the serrano with a fork, and if they're tender, we can take them out. Ajo. Okay, this is my little secret. I like to use 1 teaspoon of caldo de tomate. It adds a lot of flavor to the salsa. If the salsa looks chunky, just get the water used to boil everything. Dump it into the blender, and you can add a little bit at a time. Your salsa should look something like this, so I'm not gonna keep adding water. That's how I make my everyday Mexican salsa. If you like this recipe, let me know in the comments, and also let me know if you like to see other salsa recipes.